So you've got a pool. Congratulations, you're living the dream. But owning a pool is more than just backyard barbecues and epic cannon splashes. It's about to become a crash course in chemistry, my friend. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it more like mixing a magic potion. This potion keeps your pool sparkling, swimmers happy, and those creepy crawlies at bay. For most new pool owners, the world of pool chemicals can seem like a foreign language. There's chlorine, pH balancers, alkalinity increasers. The list goes on. But fear not, we're here to break it down in a way that's easy to understand, even after you've had a few margaritas by the poolside. Because, let's face it, a well-maintained pool is way more fun than a green, slimy swamp monster lurking in your backyard. This is your complete guide to understanding the basics of pool chemistry. We'll cover the essentials, from why it matters to how to do it right, all sprinkled with a little bit of humor. Because who says pool maintenance can't be entertaining? So grab your floaties, slather on that sunscreen, and get ready to dive into the wonderful world of pool chemistry. Trust me, your pool and your sanity will thank you for it. Ready to become a pool chemistry pro? Let's jump in. Let's cut to the chase. You wouldn't jump into a bathtub full of dirty dishes, right? Well, the same goes for your pool. Without the right chemical balance, your pool is basically a giant petri dish for all sorts of nasty things. We're talking algae, bacteria, and other unwelcome guests that can turn your swimming oasis into a health hazard. Think of pool chemicals as the superheroes that keep your water crystal clear and safe for swimming. Each chemical plays a vital role in maintaining a delicate balance. When these chemicals are in harmony, your pool water is sanitized and sparkling. But when they're out of whack, it's like a pool party gone wrong. Green water, cloudy chaos, and maybe even a few unwanted critters making an appearance. Proper chemical balance not only keeps the water looking inviting, but it also protects your pool equipment from damage. Unbalanced water can corrode pumps, filters, and other expensive parts. And nobody wants to shell out big bucks for repairs when they could be spending that money on pool toys and inflatable flamingos. So, maintaining the right chemical balance is crucial for a healthy, sparkling and swim-ready pool. It's the key to enjoying your pool all season long without worrying about unwanted surprises. And trust me, your friends and family will thank you for it. Now that you understand why pool chemistry matters, let's meet the key players in your pool's cleaning crew. These are the chemicals you'll become very familiar with as a pool owner. The head honcho. Chlorine is the most important chemical in your arsenal. It's the superhero that kills bacteria and algae, keeping your pool water safe and sanitized. Think of it as the bouncer at the pool party, keeping the unwanted guests out. You can find chlorine in liquid, tablet, or granular form. The balancing act. pH measures how acidic or basic your pool water is. The ideal pH level is between 7.4 and 7.6. pH up raises the pH, while pH down lowers it. Keeping your pH balanced ensures that chlorine can do its job effectively and prevents irritation to swimmers' eyes and skin. The chlorine's sidekick. Alkalinity acts as a buffer for pH, preventing drastic fluctuations. It helps keep the pH level stable, which is essential for chlorine to work properly. Think of it as the peacekeeper of your pool, ensuring everyone gets along. The protector, calcium hardness, refers to the amount of dissolved calcium in the water. Maintaining the right calcium hardness prevents damage to your pool's surface and equipment. It also helps prevent cloudy water. The green slime eliminator. Even with chlorine, algae can sometimes sneak into your pool. Algaecide is a powerful weapon that prevents and kills algae, keeping your pool water crystal clear. It comes in different types, each targeting specific types of algae. These are just a few of the basic pool chemicals you'll need to keep your pool sparkling. Don't worry, we'll cover how to use them safely and effectively in the next section. But for now, just remember their names and what they do. You've got this. Before you can start throwing chemicals into your pool like a mad scientist, you need to know what you're dealing with. That's where testing comes in. Testing your pool water regularly is like giving your pool a checkup. It tells you which chemicals are out of balance and how to adjust them. There are a few ways to test your pool water. The quick and easy option. Test strips are convenient and easy to use. Simply dip a strip into your pool water and compare the colors on the strip to the chart on the bottle. It will tell you the levels of chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and more. The precise choice. Liquid test kits are more accurate than test strips. They involve adding a few drops of liquid reagents to a sample of pool water and comparing the color change to a chart. The tech-savvy solution. Digital testers are the most expensive option, but they offer the most accurate and convenient way to test your pool water. Simply dip the tester into your pool, and it will display the readings on a digital screen. No matter which method you choose, testing your pool water at least twice a week is crucial for maintaining proper chemical balance. It helps you catch any imbalances early on and prevent major problems down the road. Now that you know how to test your pool water, you're one step closer to becoming a pool chemistry pro. All right, now comes the fun part, adding chemicals to your pool. But before you go pouring things willy-nilly, let's go over some safety precautions. Remember, we're dealing with chemicals here, so safety always comes first. This might seem like a no-brainer, but always, and I mean always, read the instructions on the chemical container before using it. Each chemical has specific dosage instructions and safety precautions. Protect yourself by wearing gloves, safety goggles, and a mask when handling pool chemicals. This will prevent skin and eye irritation and protect you from inhaling any fumes. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area when handling chemicals. Open windows, doors, or turn on fans to ensure proper air circulation. Store your chemicals in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, heat sources, and children. Also, never mix different chemicals together, as this can cause dangerous reactions. When adding chemicals to your pool, always do it gradually. Pour the chemicals slowly into the skimmer box or along the edge of the pool, allowing it to disperse evenly. Avoid dumping the entire amount in one spot, as this can cause staining or damage to your pool surface. Refer to the chemical container's instructions for specific dosage amounts. The amount you need will depend on the size of your pool, the current chemical levels, and the product you're using. After adding chemicals, allow sufficient time for them to circulate throughout the pool. This is usually a few hours, or as recommended on the product label. Then retest your pool water to ensure the levels are within the ideal range. Remember, patience is key when it comes to pool chemistry. It's always better to err on the side of caution and add chemicals gradually. Overdosing can be just as harmful as underdosing and can disrupt the delicate balance of your pool water. Even seasoned pool owners have made their fair share of mistakes when it comes to pool chemistry. But hey, that's how we learn, right? Let's laugh at some common blunders and, more importantly, learn how to avoid them. Pouring in a whole bottle of chlorine because you think it'll make your pool extra clean. Not a good idea. Overdosing on chemicals can be just as bad as underdosing, throwing off the balance and potentially damaging your pool. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label. Assuming your pool is balanced without testing the water, that's like driving with your eyes closed. Regularly testing your pool water is crucial for identifying any imbalances and making necessary adjustments. Mixing different chemicals together without knowing what you're doing? Definitely a recipe for disaster. Some chemicals can react violently when combined, creating harmful fumes or even explosions. Always add chemicals separately and follow the instructions carefully. Noticing your pool water turning green or cloudy but choosing to ignore it? Big mistake. Changes in water color or clarity are often early warning signs of an imbalance. Address these issues promptly to prevent bigger problems down the road. Remember, even if you make a mistake, don't panic. Most pool chemical mishaps can be corrected with proper testing and treatment. Congratulations! You've mastered the basics of pool chemistry. Now, let's take it a step further with some bonus tips to keep your pool looking its best. Shocking your pool involves adding a high dose of chlorine to eliminate contaminants and restore clarity. It's like giving your pool a deep clean. Plan to shock your pool once a week, especially after heavy use or a rainstorm. Your pool filter is your best friend when it comes to keeping the water clean. Regularly clean or backwash your filter to remove debris and improve its efficiency. A clean filter will help your chemicals work more effectively. Brushing the walls and floor of your pool helps prevent algae from clinging to the surfaces. Skimming the surface removes leaves, bugs, and other debris before they can sink to the bottom and decompose. Regular brushing and skimming will make your pool sparkle. Sunlight can break down chlorine, reducing its effectiveness. Using a pool cover when the pool is not in use can help conserve chlorine and prevent evaporation. By following these additional tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a sparkling, healthy, and inviting pool all season long. Remember, maintaining a pool is an ongoing process, but it's well worth the effort when you can relax and enjoy your backyard oasis. Section 8. Dive in and enjoy your chemical-free, chemically balanced pool. And there you have it. You've officially graduated from Pool Chemistry 101. You've learned why it matters, what chemicals to use, how to use them safely, and even how to avoid common mistakes. Remember, maintaining proper chemical balance is the key to a healthy, sparkling, and swim-ready pool. It's about protecting your investment, ensuring the safety of your loved ones, and avoiding any unpleasant surprises lurking in the water. So go ahead, pat yourself on the back, grab your favorite pool float, and dive into that crystal clear water with confidence. You've earned it. Just remember to test your water regularly, adjust the chemicals as needed, and don't be afraid to seek help from a pool professional if you need it. With a little bit of knowledge and effort, you'll be a pool chemistry pro in no time.